Hey loves, welcome back to yet another wedding centerpiece video. The gold candle holder I got from HomeGoods earlier this year. The glass candle holder is from DollarTree along with the white sand. I actually put a little bit of silver crystals inside of it so that it can give off a spark when you put the lights in. These are the floaters, pool floaties that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. I just cut it in half and just made sure that it fit on the top part of the candle holder. Here I'm just placing hydrangeas in various places just to make sure that all the spots are taken up, making sure that there's no green that's showing in the back. Now these beauties, oh my goodness. So these I got off Amazon. These are the crystal chandelier jewels, which are so stunning. Look at them. It's just glistening in the background. Now you can see me adding these pink flowers, these pink stems. I forget the exact name of it, but I will link it below in the description box so that you know what it is. But just look at those crystal chandeliers just hanging down. Gorgeous. Now I'm just going to add the little twinkle lights inside of the top portion of the centerpiece just to give it more light to the centerpiece. And now as far as the placement, I just draped it around the entire thing, making sure that it's spaced out and making sure that there's enough room on your entire I have these palm leaves that's going to be centered around this centerpiece. So as you can see, I'm just placing it down. I have my green floral wire, so I'm just going to take the ends of each one. I'm going to just wrap it around so that they are connected. I also did that to the bottom of the stem, so if you watch carefully you'll be able to see that I am making sure like I am trying to flatten it out as best as I can and also just wrapping it around. And y'all just look how the light, the twinkle lights inside of the flowers on top just makes it all come together. Now I did this in the daytime and I couldn't show you like the bling to it, but in this here with my tea light candles, you can get a visual of how everything looks. thank you all so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next centerpiece that I have coming. Like I said, like, subscribe, and enjoy. Hopefully you all are able to recreate this piece at home.